So thank you for coming to visit and for tweezing.
No, I'm going to.
You're leaving?
Yes, I'm leaving.
Why?
Give her a hug. Say bye.
Justin, my stick flew off in the street when I did this.
Thanks for coming and thanks for leaving.
I wonder how when people are
You're not trying to light the tree on fire, are you?
No, I was trying to break that part off. Because if it gets too long, it falls on my hands and burn me.
She's like, no.
As he does it right.
Hey, thanks for real. Hey,
It's sometimes fun to hang out with your familia,
Justin!
isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey,
Just finding time. Cool for have many, and then you're done. See? Those two already met their mark, and you're about to lose that one.
0. 3, 2, 1, 0. That's pretty awesome.
And our very last festival ball.
Come on, light.
And back
3, 2,
from New Year's.
1,
Okay, Dave.
0.
Good old fashioned smoke bombs. There you go.
What is that, a smoke bomb?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a smoke. Ice!
Blue.
Yes, it's staining the street.
There you go. Yeah, they just throw off pretty smoke. Ta-da!
Oh yeah, aren't y'all going to the corner store?
Yeah, that's why.
What is this one?
That's what. It's literally spinning so slow.
It's not spinning. Move. Move.
Oh, that one's fun.
Yeah.
A little bit. Watch out, Mom.
Oh, dang.
Oh, Mom. What you did, Mom?
What is that? Step back, guys.
Get back.
I backed
What if it just blew up?
Here.
Oh, that's cool.
my feet.
What are y'all doing?
Roman candle.
Here.
It's only one ball. So.
Hey! Put this in the middle.
I think it's done. Oh.
Go!
Not quite. One fell out, so that was 2.
Go!
Whoa, 3 at once.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah, they're coming out all at one time. All of them came out. Wait, be careful, car. Be careful. Straight up. Whoa.
Keep on it.
Oh yeah, they've been popping out together. It's weird.